Welcome back, guys. Now today we have got a little bit of a different video. We are not uploading a normal rebuild video as normal because I've been working tirelessly in the background to potentially take this channel to a next level. So I would like some feedback from you guys. What would you like to see me do next? What car should I potentially get to rebuild? Because I've had a few ideas in my mind, but I'd like to know from you guys, what car would you like to see me take on next? Because now that we are getting to the end of Batman and Robin rebuild, I've got quite a few things in the pipeline for these videos to end on a bang. But what would you like to see me do next? And I will be taking these cars on some European trips, and we will be getting into some adventures. Believe me, it should be good. I can't wait to take Batman and Robin into Europe and onto some road trips. I've got all the warning lights off on Robin, and the Batmobile is pretty much almost done. Once I get all these videos edited, I can't wait to show you guys. But for now, I'd like to get some feedback from you guys and let me know what you'd like to see me do. So write in the comment section down below where you'd like to see me take this channel, and we have a lot of footage to go through and show you guys. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.